And now for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please rise for a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning. It is time to choose your classes for next year. Direction sheets are available in your English classroom. The time to pick your classes will end on March 10th, at which time classes will be chosen for you. Please watch for flex sessions with Miss Risley to get your questions answered or make an appointment to see her. Thank you.
Poland Schools Equality and Inclusion Coalition is looking for student members to help advocate for the diversion needs of our school community. The mission of the coalition is to help ensure that everyone in our school community feels heard, seen, and valued. The coalition meets every other month, and our next meeting is on Monday, March 6th at 4 in the middle school library. If you're interested or have any questions, please see Ms. Bohannon. Community service hours will be awarded for being part of the Equality and Inclusion Coalition. What's going on today, Steph?
And lunch for all students until the end of the school year. Today for lunch, the cafeteria is serving soft taco with beef or chicken. Happy belated birthday to Elizabeth Hannah. One of the founders of the NAACP, Ida B. Wells was investigative journalist and one of the first individuals to report on lynching in the United States. After the traveling around the country and investigating lynching incidents, she learned that lynching was not due to black men raping white women, which was the narrative that people around the country were being told to justify the heinous acts. Rather, lynching was happening due to consensual interracial relationships and white individuals feeling threatened by economic competition. Wells published her findings in the pamphlet titled Southern Horrors: Lynch Law in All Its Phases. Following this publication, Wells was forced to flee from Tennessee for fear for her life. She fled to Chicago and continued to report on lynching and speak to audiences in the U.S. and in Europe about the topic, forming anti-lynching groups in the U.S. and abroad. And now over to sports.
Sports. Meeting for boys and girls interested in playing tennis will be held at 2:30 on Wednesday, March 15th in the library. Rackets and experience are optional. Come learn to play a lifelong sport and join the fun.
That's all we got, and now we're to trivia, World Language Edition.
Welcome to Trivia. The following languages are all home of Portland Middle School and High School students except Albanian, Arabic, Efik, English, Japanese, Kirundi, Lao, Mandarin, Polish, Portuguese, Slavic, Spanish. Congratulations to Mrs. Smith's class. The correct answer was Japanese. All these other languages are spoken in homes right here in Portland. Show your school spirit tomorrow. Dress in the colors of the country that represents your culture. Stay classy, PHS.